Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern, spacious, 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. This property has a lot area of 228 square meters and a total floor area of 350 square meters across 2 levels. Now join us as we begin this tour. Let's go! Through the pedestrian gate, you have a carport area for 3 vehicles. You have a main gate right here where you can have 2 vehicles and then a 3rd vehicle right here. You have a security gate leading to the side of the house, which we will explore in a while. You have a nice gravel wash for the flooring, so it's not slippery at all. Your parking area is also completely covered with a nice wooden design for the ceiling. You also have a nice area right here with landscaping to give you that pop of greenery. And here you have your main entry. Now welcome to your beautiful home. This property has a bright and homey feel, and upon entering the house, you immediately have your living area and dining space right here. But in terms of the usability, this would serve more as your primary dining area. And you have these windows giving you a view of your parking space. You have a main living area at the 2nd floor, which we will also explore later. In terms of arranging furniture, you can have a circular table right here or a rectangular table oriented like this or even like this because of the size of the space. And then on this side, you can have some additional furniture as well if you have some guests over. Now, from your dining area, you have the sliding door leading towards a side patio. I like the use of the plants that they have here. Nice contrast with the color of the wall. This gives you additional ventilation for your entire living and dining and kitchen space. Now through here you have your open kitchen area. Nice decoration right here. Tiles also complement the color of the countertop. Nice pendant lights. This is a nice meal prep space. You have a great view of your dining area. Lots of storage all throughout. In Tagalog, it's very magaan and maaliwalas. In terms of maximizing the space, you have a pantry room right here. So lots of storage. This is where you can have your oven and you already have a provision for the installation of your range hood. And in terms of where you can put your refrigerator, that will be right here. And you have access towards your service area. You have a heavy wash space right here. And this is important, especially if you have the big pots and pans. And also, this is where you can have your washing machine in this space. You have access towards a steel tower towards your water tank also. And right here, there's another wash space. Here you have your staff room. You can easily have a double bunk bed here. And it has a bathroom as well. In terms of the laundry space, you can have your washing machine right here. Washer dryer space so that it's covered. And then you have access towards the parking area as well. So very well organized, completely tiled space. There's a provision here. So after you purchase the home and you'd like to have your own design in terms of your light fixture, this can even get brighter. And to maximize the space, you also have a storage room right here underneath the stairs. And for convenience upon entering the house, you have a powder room immediately upon entry. Floor-to-ceiling tiling. And then water closet on the other side. First impression so far, for the ground level, the house feels very homey, welcoming. It feels very familiar. And it's basically just missing furniture and curtains already. And air conditioning units for the ground level also. But in terms of how it's been arranged, it's extremely livable already. Now right here, you have access to the circuit breakers. This entire area is maximized. So this is a great additional storage space for shoes. So you have proper drawers right here. And here you have your first room. So this is a unique room because you have a tiled patio space right here. It's a private area and you have all that ventilation. But of course, plenty of security and privacy. This is a very quiet community. But there are plenty of ways that you can maximize this. You could make this an entire plant wall even in the future. But this is space enough to have a table, couple of chairs, make this a nice al fresco addition to your first room. And here you have the spacing. So this can be a home office or even a master bedroom if you want to have your room downstairs. It's sizable enough you can have even a king-sized bed right here. And it has an ensuite bathroom. You have a shower enclosure already. And I said that this room can be maximized as a master bedroom because it has a full walk-in closet. And with a door right here so that the moisture can be kept out also. Now it's time to explore the second level of the home. Let's go. Steps are easy to climb. Wow. And here we are at the second level of this home. When I first walked into this house, one of the thoughts was, where can I place my living room set? Because it's immediately almost the dining and kitchen space. But now I see that you have such a large area here for your living space in terms of an additional amenity area. You can have an L-shaped sofa right here, a television set right here, or even here. It's such a fantastic space that there are multiple things that you can do. You can have this area as an area to watch TV, and then you can make this an open study area or home office space also. And another great feature is it has a sliding door leading to a balcony space. From this angle, you can appreciate the size of the balcony. This is almost a roof deck in terms of the space. You can have a couple of tables, make this a nice area for gatherings. If you have a party, you also have a nice view of the street, but you have enough privacy because of the size so that you can't be viewed too much from the street level. Okay. You also have a sliding door right here leading to your second bedroom, which can also be your master bedroom. So it's a dual access balcony. Let's head on in. So here you have your second bedroom, which can serve as your primary bedroom for the second level. I love the room size and shape. It's almost a perfect square. And once again, you have access towards the balcony. This is where you can have your television set. Plenty of room for storage, even a couch, a king-sized bed, a desk. And you have a walk-in closet space. And your bathroom right here. This house is well thought out, and you have a provision here for your air conditioning unit as well. And here you have your third bedroom. The flooring is a tiled flooring with a wooden design. So easy to clean and maintain, but it has that warm feel. I also like the ceiling height for the second level. And you have plenty of built-in storage already right here. Let's open this up. When you look at cabinetry, one of the things that I would recommend is always check the depth. So when I say the depth, it's important so that you can easily hang the suits and dresses. And here you have an ensuite bathroom once again. So far, all 3 bedrooms have an ensuite bathroom. Floor-to-ceiling tiling as well. Here you have the 4th bedroom, and a nice touch is a window was placed here so that it still has additional light coming from the main den space and even coming from the other side of the property. You have your circuit breakers right here. I love the room sizes for this property. Even if you have adult children already in the family, or for example, you are siblings who already have kids, this size is significant enough as an in-law suite. So for example, you have a child or a sibling with their own children. You can all live in this home because of the size of the rooms. And this particular room is right over the ground floor room, That's why you even have a view of the patio space at the ground level. And this also has a walk-in closet space. And if the ground floor room can be a master bedroom, and then the second bedroom can also be a master bedroom, this room can also be a master bedroom because it also has a large walk-in closet space. So this is great because you have multiple options, and even your other family members will also benefit from the design. I like the planning of the spaces of this home. Okay, so that caps off our quick house tour. To know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.